Hi guys, I'm Gurmeet Chaudhary.
Hi, this is Sana Khan.
Hi, this is Sharman Joshi.
And you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Well, we have this the super hot, in fact, trio, the team of Wajah Tum Ho, Gurmeet, Sana, and Sharman Joshi. Huge pleasure to have you guys on board now, first of all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Gurmeet Chaudhary, in fact, as I mentioned to you on Twitter as well, that these divine kissing skills that you have been displaying of late. So, what is the raz of that? Because I think you've totally just thrown the ball out of the park, actually, literally.
Well, there is no Raz. ऐसा कोई Raz नहीं है. I mean, see, I'm playing. My character name is Ranbir Bajaj और Sana है, and जो हमारे director है, उन्होंने look at her.
Is it Sana Khan?
नहीं, सना का कैरेक्टर का नाम भूल गया ना.
और सना है आया.
नहीं, Sana और Sia,
आप टोटली दुनिया भूल जाते हैं सना के.
बिल्कुल.
That's understandable.
देखते मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
That's understandable. Okay.
So well, हाँ, तो आपने जो गाने देखे हैं उसमें हमने प्योर लव दिखाया है, तो
Pure love. बिल्कुल. I really like that.
Yeah.
I really like that.
एंड उसके बाद सना कुछ कहना चाहती है.
लोगों का मानना है कि लव के साथ साथ में लस्ट भी है, जिसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है.
नहीं, लस्ट नहीं, एक्चुअली बिल्कुल भी हमारे
आपकी व्यू से वो लस्ट है.
हमारी निगाहों में,
हमारी निगाहों में वो प्यार है.
पब्लिक की मतलब जो है, पब्लिक के दिमाग में ही सब कुछ है.
हर इंसान किस को या एक गले लगाने को हर एंगल से देखता है, डिफरेंटली देखता है. डिपेंड करता है आप कितने डिप्राइव्ड हो किस चीज से. तो अगर आपका ज्यादा हो गया है तो मे बी यू फाइंड दैट एज लस्ट, बट आई थिंक इफ यू आर समवन who's in love and experiencing the same emotion, otherwise I don't think you're going to find it like, oh my god, कि ये क्या चीज हो गई है. And it is a very normal thing, yeah.
But Sana Khan, I'll just ask you one thing. What is wrong in lust?
There's nothing wrong, but then this is not lust. This is love. But definitely people have their own ways of seeing it.
Right.
So some people see it as lust, some people see it as love.
Right. So do you agree with her entire definition that those who are deprived of whatever deprived, they are basically feeling that this
Sexually deprived.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
नहीं, बात
which
ये
is I think most of India.
What she's trying to communicate is that this film, the characters that the love-making scene that you're possibly seeing in the song is emerging out of love, and it's not the lust which is the factor. We are not saying lust is wrong. She's just saying that this is about love, and I think it's been done rather beautifully. And the point is that this is a part of the film. I mean, all said and done.
Yeah.
Like in Hate Story 3, apart from the songs, there was nothing in the film that is, where we being a little more explicit or expressive about the love-making aspect of it.
Right.
The story, the script, the characters are the driving points of this film, and as opposed to many other films where they don't project these love-making sequences which you kind of discover in the film later on.
Right.
We've kind of gone ahead and projected in the first place. So the impression, I can understand what might have been created is it might be that this is what it's all about. Right. But it's really about the script, it's about the story, it's about the characters that I mentioned before, and this happens to be a part of it. And you'll see it only in the songs, and apart from that, there's no sign of it anywhere.
See, thriller suspense throughout the film. हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा busy है that we have no time to romance each other. So
हमें सिर्फ गाने मिले, सिर्फ
we
romance
are
के
just fighting in the court and at times fighting with each other, solving because it's a murder mystery as we all know. So I think song was the only time where we could also show the romance bit. Because लड़का
कि वो भी अपना भूल रही है आपके साथ में, वो भी भूल रही हैं कि क्या कहना चाह रही हैं. So you are having an impact as well, which is good as well.
Which is good.
अग्री कर ले, good है तो अग्री कर ले.
Okay.
Good for the film.
मैं भी समझाने क्लियरली, लेकिन ओके अग्री.
मुझे
गुड है तो अग्री है.
Actually, please continue.
और मैं शायद ज्यादा इतना स्क्रिप्ट का बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ दीस सॉन्ग्स, सो आई एम फीलिंग डिप्राइव्ड.
जी,
इसलिए मैं बोला स्क्रिप्ट छोड़ दो ये गाने वाले.
देखिए, so after Hate Story 3 even he is feeling deprived. So that is something that
And I'm
is the
motivated
impact.
by him after seeing Hate Story 3.
अच्छा.
अरे यार शर्म कर सकता है, मैं क्यों नहीं?
एग्जैक्टली.
I think even Gurmeet is inspired by Sharma.
No, Gurmeet has
He has always inspired us. So even we are following his footstep in terms of acting, in terms of whatever he's done in Hate Story 3. So I think it's a fair deal.
Right? No, absolutely. No one is complaining. I'm sure about that. Apparently, your wife was upset with all the scenes once she saw it. So what's the what's the latest on that?
सो आई मीन इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. देबीना खुद एक एक्ट्रेस हैं और उनको बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है, हमारी स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में मालूम था. और एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि ये इरोटिक हम क्यों इसको बना देते हैं. हमारा जो फिल्म है, इसका जो कंटेंट है वो बिल्कुल इरोटिक नहीं है. इसमें सेक्स को लेकर ऐसे नहीं है कि सेक्स के ऊपर स्टोरी है. एक लाइफ मर्डर है, मिस्ट्री है जो सॉल्व हो रहा है. उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. तो वो देबीना को भी मालूम था, हमें भी मालूम था. बट क्यों ये न्यूज़ आ रही है उसके बारे में हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
That is wonderful. But the fact is, Sana Khan, when we saw the promo, the first promo when it came out, those are quite intense sequences.
Yeah.
And the fact is that in many cases, most of the audience that is going to be coming in, they'll be coming in because of that as well, apart from the
of course,
music and all those things.
They're most
so
welcome. Please आइए.
it definitely works in terms of just enticing the audience. So let's not pretend that. But it is something which is generally not seen in the movies and
Seen in so many films.
you know-
Come on, so many.
Kissing
but,
Every
scenes are
film.
seen in
it's not
many
merely
of
about
them.
the kissing part. I'm talking about the intensity. I'm talking about the intensity.
I don't even want to name films which has higher
Because
intensity than
आजकल
this.
बहुत सी चीजें तो इनफैक्ट
ये
आजकल
तो
तो
बहुत low
नहीं
intensity.
देखिए आजकल बहुत सी चीजें जो है इनफैक्ट सेंसर हो जाती हैं.
जी.
तो people are anyways scared कि उसमें डालें कि नहीं डालें. That way. So
नहीं, we are not defending that. Of course, it's there and it's part of the
It's not
film.
merely about the kissing. It's
Yeah.
about the body language as well.
जी जी.
जिस तरीके से आप move
But
कर
अभी
रही
ये
हैं
दोनों
foreign
ऐसे
locations पे, that's
गुरु
something
है
we've
लव
never
मेकिंग
seen
के, तो
before.
हम क्या कर सकते
वो डांस कर रहे
Yes.
थे. यूँ ऐसे जा रहे थे और यूँ आ रहे थे.
So उसमें ये है कि that is definitely different. That's accepted actually.
Yeah, of course.
And which is working as well. I think if you're getting noticed because of that, that is something that is definitely noticeable, especially from Sana Khan, because no one had imagined that she'll be seen in such a manner.
Yeah. Even I didn't think that I would be seen like this ever on screen. But I think as an actor, it's very important that you experiment. And अगर ये फिल्म का जो concept होता है, if it was a normal concept which had so much of love making, I would have given a second thought. But very honestly, the script is so good. Especially जो thriller है, it has a lot of suspense in the film. And more than that, it's about hacking a freaking satellite. Generally लोगों का बैंक अकाउंट हैक हो जाता है, किसी के ईमेल आईडी के पासवर्ड्स हैक हो जाते हैं, विच आई अंडरस्टैंड कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है. बट व्हेन यू हैक अ सैटेलाइट एंड यू शो लाइव मर्डर, आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी डेंजरस एंड वेरी स्कैरी फॉर ऑडियंसेस हु आर वाचिंग इट. सो जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुना ना, ऑनेस्टली मेरा फोकस लव मेकिंग और किसिंग पे था भी नहीं. माई मेन फोकस वॉज द स्क्रिप्ट एंड आई कांट लूज अ गुड स्क्रिप्ट ओनली बिकॉज आई हैव 2-3 kisses in the film. That's a stupidity.
क्या बात.
कि कोई भी फिल्म कर लो, एक किस तो होगी, आई एम श्योर.
All right, now, in fact, Sharman, Sana Khan has made a statement. I'll just like to read it out to you because you're an experienced guy, and I think you can understand that what she's trying to say. She has said in an interview, I hope that this is exactly what she said, that the day I'm a star, even the bullshit I dish out will be appreciated. I've learned that in this industry, you have to be emotionally strong because people will always try to break you. On many occasions, I was told that I can't be cast because I'm not a star. But weren't the stars newcomers at some point? I look decent and I can act and dance well. I used to wonder why I can't get a big project. How will you react to something like this?
No, she's right. See, every star has been a newcomer first. Everyone has had that one breakthrough, and eventually they've been recognized and then treated as the stars that they are. And after a point, when you become such a big star, when she meant bullshit, I think she possibly meant that. In spite of trying, sometimes your work might be average, but in spite of that, because of the love that the audiences now have for you because you're such a big star, sometimes they accept those flaws and they still carry you forward, which is again, which is not just come free. That particular star has created that wealth over the years, over the work that he's done or she's done, and तब जाकर के उस मकाम पे पहुँचे जहाँ sometimes in spite of trying hard, you don't get the right notes and the average performance होगी, average film होगी, फिर भी लोग आपको लेकर के साथ लेकर के चलते हैं और वो I think that's possibly what she meant. Yeah.
Okay, as I was telling you that I was watching 3 Idiots yesterday on television, and it's an amazing film and amazing performance by you as well.
Thank you.
We've spoken to you in the past. In fact, we spoke to you the day it released.
Yeah.
Amir, Madhuvan, and you.
Yeah.
And you've had some amazing performances, and now when we just read what she has said, you've had your sense of struggle as well, because you've delivered such brilliant performances, such films which have done exceedingly well at the box office as well, and then you've had like a rough phase too.
Sure.
So how important, and then people will judge you that Sharman Joshi और 3 Idiots की अभी Hate Story 3 कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
So how do you look at this entire journey that you've had?
Honestly, I'm not saying it. Of course, it's a saying that I first heard, and then I'm trying to bring it into practice, and in fact, I'm practicing that it's really the journey. It's that's most exciting for me. The outcomes are 3 Idiots, Ferrari, Savari, Golmaal, whatever, Metro, whatever it might be, and then you see me sitting in the audiences and then say that, wow, lovely job done or not done. But the journey that I myself kind of undertake for these films is what is exciting for me. For every actor, there's going to be a high phase and a lull phase, during which time, during the lull, it's about how you handle and keep yourself together.
Sure.
And then it's really after a point for anyone, any of the actors or any of us connected with this business, with all the effort and hard work, there's also a huge amount of luck factor. So I have to be fortunate enough to get the right scripts, the right characters, which always hit the mark, and then effectively gather more love and greater value as an actor. So that's a process. You just hope and you sit back and wait for that to happen to you. And of course, you're doing your own little efforts that you need to do. But then eventually it has to happen to you.
It has to happen to you. Great. Okay, you've seen Ventilator, Rajesh?
I've not seen it. I've been traveling, and Rajesh, of course, has invited me a couple of times, but somehow I've not seen it. I'm hearing great things about it.
I've seen it twice.
And I'm proud of it that after working with me, Rajesh is still doing a good job with his Ventilator. No, I've heard great things. The film has been really appreciated and praised, and full kudos to Rajesh to, achieve that.
Great. Okay, now Gurmeet Chaudhary, you have a phenomenal fan following on social media. Your fans, the moment you tweet something about you, and the way they just start, idhar-udhar se har taraf se they just start coming actually. So, many are of the opinion that Khamoshiyan ke baad there should have been more things coming from Gurmeet Chaudhary. And why is it that we're not seeing much too many things as far as you're concerned?
Well, एक चीज़ मुझे माननी पड़ेगी. सी खामोशियाँ ने मुझे बॉलीवुड में लेके आ गया, बिकॉज बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि टीवी करते करते बहुत कम लोगों को ब्रेक मिलता है बॉलीवुड में. और जब आपकी कोई फैमिली नहीं होती है और आपका कोई बैकग्राउंड ऐसा नहीं होता है, तो खामोशियाँ ने मुझे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मेरी पहली फिल्म थी जो मुझे यहाँ तक ले आ पाई. बट हाँ, खामोशियाँ उतनी अच्छी नहीं रही, और मुझे थोड़ा बुरा भी लगा कि इतनी चली क्यों नहीं. एज एन एक्टर आप सोचते हो कि आपका हर काम अच्छा चले, और तब मैं थोड़े दिन बैठा रहा कि क्या अब प्लान क्या करना है. ऑफ कोर्स टीवी था मेरे पास, और टीवी मैं कर भी रहा था. मेरा कभी भी प्लान ऐसा नहीं रहा कि बॉलीवुड में जाके मैं टीवी को भूल जाऊंगा. मेरा प्रायोरिटी हमेशा था कि फिल्म करूंगा, लेकिन साथ में टीवी भी करते रहना पड़ेगा. बट बीच में ऐसा हुआ कि क्योंकि जब पहली फिल्म आपकी नहीं चलती है तो बहुत तकलीफ होती है. आपको लोग फ़ोन उठाना बंद कर देते हैं. जब खामोशियाँ चल रहा था, स्टिल रिमेंबर, सब लोग कॉल कर रहे हैं, बड़े प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, हर कोई बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है, गुरमीत सब कुछ है. और जैसी फिल्म नहीं काम करते तब आपका फोन, मतलब मैसेज का रिप्लाई तक नहीं आता है. आई मीन ये बहुत चीज़ है जो मुझे बहुत कम टाइम में मैंने देखी है.
डेफिनेटली.
तो बट हाँ, मैं हिम्मत नहीं हारा, मैं करता रहा, लोगों से मिलता रहा, और एक सही कुछ चीज़ें आई भी मेरे पास, लेकिन मैं वो था कि अब दोबारा जो फिल्म करनी है, मुझे अच्छा कंटेंट करना है. एक चीज़ बहुत जल्दी मुझे समझ में आ गई कि फिल्म तभी चलती, कितने भी बड़े प्रोड्यूसर हो, डायरेक्टर हो, अगर आपका कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं है, आपकी फिल्म नहीं चलने वाली है. और 8 महीने में बैठा रहा और मैं बस ये सोच रहा था कि फिल्म आए. और तब तक विशाल को मैं जानता था, और विशाल ने लगातार 2 फिल्में हिट दी हैं. अगर मैं जैसे हेट स्टोरी 3 मैंने जब देखी तो आप बोलते इरोटिक फिल्म है, लेकिन जब फिल्म देखने गया शर्मन, मैंने जब फिल्म देखी, मैं कुछ और सोच के देखने गया था कि क्यों फिल्म इतनी हिट हुई. बट उसका कंटेंट, उसका जो स्टोरी लाइन थी, हर चीज़, जो कैरेक्टर जिस तरीके से विशाल ने बनाए थे, शर्मन ने जिस तरीके से किया था, इनफैक्ट करण भी थे उसमें, सबने बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग काम किया था. स्टोरी लाइन बहुत अच्छी थी. तो मुझे मालूम था कि फिल्म अच्छी थी इसलिए चली, तुक्के में कोई फिल्म चलती नहीं है. एंड जब विशाल ने मुझे ये स्टोरी समझाई, बताई, तो मुझे लगा कि यार प्रोड्यूसर अच्छा है, डायरेक्टर, उन्होंने 2 फिल्में हिट दी है, और कंटेंट इसका बहुत अच्छा है. तो मेरे दिल से लगा कि ये फिल्म कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे नहीं जाने देना, और जितनी भी तैयारी होनी है, जो भी मुझे अपना बेस्ट देना है, वो मैंने इस फिल्म में दिया है. एंड आफ्टर डबिंग मेरे मुझे आप जब एक्टर डबिंग करके निकलता है तो उसको मालूम चल जाता है. जब मैं कोई भी खामोशियाँ भी कर रहा था तो एक आइडिया थोड़ा था, एज एन एक्टर आप फील कर जाते हो, सेट पे आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाता है. तो वजह तुम हो में सेट पे और डबिंग में मैं इनफैक्ट डबिंग करके निकला और लास्ट डबिंग थी मेरी, और मैं शर्मन से मिला और उनको कहा कि शर्मन क्लाइमैक्स अभी मैंने देखा और जिस तरीके से मुझे अच्छा लगा, अगर ऑडियंस को ये बात समझ में आ गया, आई एम श्योर उनको खतरनाक लगेगी, माइंड ब्लोइंग फिल्म लगेगी.
क्या बात.
फिर मुझे लगता है कि रुकने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. इतना टाइम लगा लेकिन कहते हैं ना देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
Fantastic, fantastic. As you are speaking about you, Sana Khan, you've also said that I don't think my scenes have gone past what you saw of Surveen in Parched. As a beginner, I keep tabs, and there is no comparison with Zareen's scene either because they are different. You've also spoken about the fact that you've had your share of struggles in terms of Jai Ho aapne kari thi and other things as well. Would like to talk about the entire journey that you've had post Big Boss and.
Yeah, first,
was
I never
expected
mentioned
that-
about Surveen, so I don't know how the name has popped up. Second, yeah, like it's there also in the article, but definitely her name was
You
not.
did not say that, okay.
Yeah, I just mentioned about the film, yes, but not about Surveen's part. But
Okay.
the other part,
That's
which I'm sure you're
understandable.
aware
I
of.
can understand
So when
that,
you say that as an actor I've crossed a limit, I think I haven't. When you see other things coming out, so I think that's a very probably a wrong statement to use for what I have done. And I think Vishal has his own style. If you see all his films, of course he has intimate scenes, and that is his style. If you see all the girls in his film have the same pattern of getting intimate with the partner, and I think that's how it is, and it looks very pretty, very beautiful, and it doesn't look vulgar, which is very important. See, being a girl, whether it's me or whether any girl who's been part of any film
Ji.
who do intimate scenes, it's very important to have that faith in your director and of course your cameraman, because that's how the way he lights you, the way you look on screen finally, because you might end up looking very ugly if it's not framed well, in terms of the treatment of the scene. And I think I knew that Vishal is going to be great at it because I've seen his previous films, and I know that he makes every girl look very pretty. Like Zareen looked hot and desirable in Hate Story, and I think हर एक्टर जैसे डायरेक्टर एक्टर्स का देते हैं वैसे ही एक्टर डायरेक्टर का एक पास्ट प्रोजेक्ट दिखता है. सो फॉर मी Hate Story 3 was the main reference of his latest thing, and I knew that I can do this scene and I know he's going to make me look good. And जहाँ तक journey की बात है, I think I have similar journey like Gurmeet. I started off with reality shows and of course Big Boss, the most popular show in India. And after that I got a part in Jai Ho, which was as good as a cameo. And I'm happy because I think इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार के साथ एक स्क्रीन पे शेयर करना, आई डोंट नो मुझे ज़िंदगी में मौका मिलेगा या नहीं, बट आई थिंक बिग बॉस के इमेज बाहर आते बराबर. At least I'm the only girl from Big Boss who's worked with Salman, so I'm really proud about it. And second, definitely he gave me a platform, whatever it was, because of that film people saw me on screen. It took me a while because I wanted to do a right kind of project. जैसे यहाँ पे लोग कहते हैं ना टाइपकास्ट हो जाते हो, वो होता है फॉर अ स्मॉल फेज आफ्टर एनीथिंग रिलीजेस. जब जय हो भी रिलीज हुई थी, ऑफकोर्स द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट आई वांटेड टू डू, पीपल वरंट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट मी इन दोज काइंड ऑफ रोल्स बिकॉज दे हैड अ परसेप्शन कि यार 5 सीन किया हमको 5 सीन में ही लेना है, एंड दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू, एंड दैट्स नॉट द रीजन व्हाई आई एम हियर. And I told people that I've done that only because it was Salman and he wanted me to do it. But other than that, I don't want to do 5 scenes because I know I'm capable of doing much more better if given a platform. I think
Sure.
हर एक्टर wants a platform, that's it. उनका टैलेंट कितना भी अच्छा हो, अगर एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है तो they cannot execute what they have,
Absolutely.
So I think it has been a great journey. I 2 साल वेट किया, but I think वजह तुम हो was a right move for me in my career. And I'm sure once people will see the film, they'll realize that the film has much more to offer than just the trailer, what they've seen, and just 20 seconds of the things that's getting them excited, but there's definitely more to it.
If you keep on hammering this thing that they should not get excited and eat this and that, तो आएंगे क्यों, आप बताओ.
नहीं, of course जो
And if you tell them 20 seconds का है, because
वही
I
तो है
think
ट्रेलर में, उतना ही seconds है, and that's what's
and
in
what
the
about the
film.
songs and everything?
That's the part of a song, if you know. That's
Only one song.
Yeah.
I believe it's like at least in 2 or 3 songs from what I
no,
understand.
there's also another girl who's doing something, no?
अच्छा ना.
तो सारे सॉन्ग मिल मिला के she's saying that's what
Yeah.
but
अच्छा
yeah,
लगा.
खैर that's not important.
Right.
देखिएगा, that's also very exciting. That should be a calling card for whoever it is.
Yeah.
And for the others, we also have a
But
great
there's
script.
definitely a lot of suspense.
I-
All in all,
Not
there's enough
say,
for everyone.
because-
Just come there,
See,
guys.
my
Because
only
that's how
point-
it is being perceived. That it's like a really, in fact, a very aesthetically presented film in terms of whatever people are.
Yeah, but there's definitely, like I said in my previous interviews also, कि film के अंदर the guys are going to like the film more. Also, one reason is because it's all about technology. Guys generally are into all this. You know, they like जहाँ पे computers हो या gadgets हो. They are gadget freaks. So that way is, you know, hacking a satellite and showing live mode on TV, and it is something which Vishal has also done a homework on. मतलब उन्होंने किसी के साथ बैठ के पता किया है कि अगर हम ऐसे hacking करना चाहे तो ये हो सकता है क्या? Which is like, it's a correct way of doing that. So it's like, it's very interesting film that ways, and it's a very beautifully treated film, very English, very sci-fi kind of a film. So yeah, there's lot more in the film, and there is suspense to another level.
क्या बात है? Okay.
अरे.
All right, and you're looking forward to Golmaal 4?
No, I've not been offered the Golmaal 4. So I'm looking forward to watching it, of course.
Okay, because I think there were reports that
They asked me for it.
that you'll be
I
part
didn't
of.
get a call यार. मेरा number same है भैया. अगर if you intend to call me, please call me.
Okay, and Style 3, are you doing Style 3? by
Style
any
3
chance?
साहिल की बदौलत है. वो भाई साहब ने किसी पे कहीं पे ट्वीट कर दिया कि हम लोग शायद Style 3 करेंगे.
Right.
But nothing of the sort.
Nothing of the sort right now. Okay, you know, we have this we'd like to play one game with you guys, where basically you two have to just compete amongst each other. That how well do you know Sharman Joshi?
अच्छा.
Oh my
Okay?
god.
And you can win something for that as well.
Oh, the box is big.
Here's a
Box
head.
is cool, huh? I like the handle.
Oh my god.
So you'll have to
Bring it on.
Nice,
just
yeah.
show
Oh, please God help me.
your love for Sharman Joshi. That how well.
Whoever promises to lend it to me also, I shall give them the answers.
So the first question is, so whoever knows, you have to answer it instantly, and we'll just take it up from there.
Okay.
So with which film Sharman Joshi made his debut with?
Style. I said first.
I can give you
Godmother.
options.
Can I also get it in case
Godmother.
they lose?
I can give you options as well if you want. Yeah. So it is. Yeah.
If
It
they
is
don't get
Godmother.
it right, then
It is Godmother.
I खुद ही बोले.
I know.
All right. When is Sharman Joshi's birthday? Should I give you options? 28th April, 24th April, 27th April, 29th April.
सब आसपास
April में ही है पर.
the total adds up to
29th
10.
April.
10.
10
10 का total होता है.
28.
Yes, she's right. ये क्या है?
10 का टोटल होता है बोल दिया उसने. तो मैंने फटाफट कर लिया.
मैं तो नहीं
मैंने open clue दिया.
Actually, you know, it was something which was open for both.
Yeah.
दोनों को दिया.
So
Yes, I'm one.
1-0. All right. Excuse me, Kyare.
हाँ.
This song is from which of Sharman's movie?
Style.
Style.
He said it first.
Style.
So 1-all.
No.
1-all.
तो आगे बढ़ हाँ ऐसे
Sharman won IFA Best Supporting Actor award.
No, wait.
I'll give you options.
Okay.
3 Idiot and the Vasanti.
नहीं मैं सुना नहीं क्योंकि एक और बार कर दूँ
Actually, she said it.
Yeah.
3 idiots.
तू ही बोल ले अभी
2-1. No, please. We need that competitive streak from you.
आ गया.
All right. What was Sharman's name in Golmaal? I'll give you options. Gopal, Lucky.
Gopal.
गोपाल नहीं है लकी
Gopal, Lucky, Lakshman, Madhav.
लक्ष्मण माधव
सब नाम बोलते हैं.
लक्ष्मण.
कुछ है.
Lakshman, yes.
लक्ष्मण
But actually, he was trying. You didn't try.
लक्ष्मण
What is Gopal?
या लक्ष्मण
Gopal is
Arshad.
Ajay.
Oh, sorry,
Gopal is
Ajay.
Ajay. Gopal is Ajay.
Ajay.
So
लक्ष्मण या
2-all. 2-all. So it's
I hate you, Guru.
literally
Shut up.
beating up actually. Which of the following is not a Sharman Joshi film? I'll give you options. Raqib, Sorry Bhai, To Baat Pakki, Love You, Mr. Kalakar.
मिस्टर कलाकार
I said Mr. Fox. I said
Kalakar.
swear it first.
नहीं मैंने
Mr.
बोला
मैंने बोला.
I think she said.
Yeah. I swear
I
मैंने बोला
think-
तेरी कसम.
मेरी कसम क्यों कर रही है तू
किसी और से पूछ
मेरी कसम
लेते
क्यों कर रही
तेरा
है
है Mr.
क्या मैं नर की कसम खाऊं
कसम से
Very
please
good.
rewind.
Who said it first?
Mine. See.
Yeah, I think she was by a very
Yeah, like a
minor whisker example.
ये लोग थोड़ा
3-2.
partial हो रहे हैं.
हाँ मुझे
नहीं.
They like Sana in the.
You are because of the persona of
Because of Wajah Tum of the title track, Sana is winning a lot of hearts.
No, it
not
can
that,
be
yeah.
true. It can be true, but the fact is that she said it first.
Yeah.
Like, let's be honest. No, I love you, man. You're a
Yeah.
very brotherly man. So let's not. But the thing is that she was slightly.
Yeah.
It's 3-2. You can still do that. I'll give you more. I have 10 questions.
Oh my.
Okay, so I'll give you more.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give you 4 more questions. Okay, so you can make it. Which was Sharman's film? Was the adaptation of a Chetan Bhagat's novel?
The Three Idiots. No,
रंग
Three
First film.
Idiots.
Sharman's first film was the first film.
दे.
नहीं रिवर्स
Which was Sharman's film, was a film adaptation of a Chetan Bhagat novel.
The first film, but you have to specify that.
Yeah, first
बाकी
film.
3 Idiots right है.
First film, yeah,
फर्स्ट फिल्म
yeah.
अब चेतन भगत की 2 पिक्चर हो, मतलब 2 नॉवेल्स का एडेप्टेशन का मैं हिस्सा था.
Three
तो
Mistakes
Hello.
of Life ना?
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
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 He's
ओके
right. He is right.
जितना नजदीक आएगा उतना धीरे धीरे मेरे पास आएगा.
वन नाइट एट द कॉल
Okay,
सेंटर.
alright.
Three-
उसको अडैप्ट
three-
किया था हलो करके.
three
अतुल ने
all.
डायरेक्ट की
Even
थी.
Hello?
अग्निहोत्री.
I saw Hello.
I was pretty much there. मतलब काफी प्रेजेंस थी.
3-all. So we really like the excitement actually.
No.
Sharman's Ferrari ki
Okay.
Sawari released in which year? 2013, 2011, 2012, 2014.
Well, ये तो मुझे भी याद नहीं था यार.
बिजी हो गया था सॉरी माय बैड
क्योंकि कैसे याद रहा?
कितना डांस करी थी उसकी विद्या बालन के सॉन्ग में बिग बॉस
4-3.
एंट्री.
अच्छा.
4-3. Okay, so 2 questions left.
ओह रो
स्कोर क्या है? स्कोर क्या है?
4-3.
Not bad यार.
4-3.
4
4
in
सना
Sana
3
4.
नहीं 4 सना
तुम
3
जल्दी से पूछो ना, बिजी रहेगा.
It's a bit difficult, so but I hope that if you know him well, you'll know it. Okay, Sharman is the father of beautiful twin boys and a baby girl. Name them.
अरे नेम ही तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है तीनों का.
रायना
Some all.
रायना
No.
Khyana, okay,
Khyana.
is the daughter, and the boys are both the names start from V. You should know.
विकास
क्या विकास?
सब नाम है
Not
विरान.
विरान
विरान.
Varian is one.
Varian, हाँ.
ठीक है, और एक है.
And विमन.
विमल
Early-
उसका मेल रिपीट कर.
मैं कर रिपीट कर रहा तभी आऊंगा
It's a
शर्मन यहाँ पे
Sanskrit
अरे
name
नहीं यार,
for
उसका-
early morning. Okay, it
चुप
is.
रहा.
It's actually we won't be able to give you because Khyana, Varian, and Vihan. Alright, so I think he can ask one question about himself, and then we can have a tiebreaker because that's
ब्रो
that's
आई
all
लव
I
यू भाई
गौर से सुनना भाई.
हाँ एकदम इधर इधर देखो भाई इधर देखो ओके
मेरी अगली फिल्म की रिलीज डेट है.
सेकंड दिसंबर नो 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 भाई तो मैंने साथ में बोला दिस इज नॉट डन यार
I'm out of this.
वन मोर
Actually, it will be unfair. I think she.
Second was first, I think.
No, I think she's.
Yeah, thank you.
she's
Gurmeet, well fought यार. You were almost there. खाली वो जो बीच में जो सना को दिया था ना, that is थोड़ा doubtful है. वो replay हो सकता है. But ये वाला sure.
Okay, we'll have a rapid fire round now with all you guys. We'll start with Sharman first in that. So I think that was like really wonderfully contested. So rapid fire with Sharman Joshi. Sana's hotness or movie script. First thing that made you sign Wajah Tum Ho.
Sana's hotness.
देखा था
25, 30, 40 फिल्म जितने भी थे.
ये सही है तो देखा नहीं
अरे बट देखने वाले की नजर है भैया.
हाँ, वही same हो गई ना.
परसेप्शन वाली बात है. आप जो heels में चलती थी और ये सब जो है आपको
I find cute hot यार.
What has been the most adrenaline pumping thing you've ever done in your life?
Watch Sana Khan on Big Boss. No, चलो something else.
बजा तुम हो गया.
Adrenaline pumping thing. I've ran 100 meters at 10.5 seconds.
My God.
Yeah,
That's
even I
good.
have.
And I'm lying.
10.5 is like really difficult.
pretty
Yeah,
actually.
very difficult.
But I must be 11.
Okay.
I'm pretty good.
Okay, Zareen, Daisy or Sana, who do you think is a bundle of sensuality?
Sana. अगर 2 दिसंबर
पैसे
वजह
दे
तुम
वो
हो. जरीन समझ लेगी. और डेजी भी.
A recent or an upcoming film you wish you should have been a part of?
None whatsoever. Wajah Tum is the film I wanted to be a part of, and that's the film to watch.
A hardcore romantic film with SRK or a full 2 masala film with Salman? If you're offered both at once, which one will you accept?
A film with myself.
Okay, alright, what's your version of let's have some fun?
I go to the extremes. So beach वाला कुछ नहीं. So now you assume what that is.
good one
Alright, so we'll start with Gurmeet
Yeah,
now because you're the winner.
Yes.
Alright, Gurmeet, now you have reasons to
could you tell me please
considering that she's just beaten you, so you can say what you want to say.
Okay.
Sana's hotness or movie script, first thing that made you sign Wajah Tum Ho.
सना हॉटनेस ऑफ कोर्स
किसी झूठे लोग.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं झूठ क्यों बोलेंगे यार
तुम दोनों पे.
Who according to you has the fittest body in Bollywood?
Gurmeet Chaudhary, I can say that. Yeah. Abhi, acha, Salman
Latest
Khan
addition.
also. But Gurmeet, you have to see him in the song. He's
Yeah.
outstanding. Well done, man.
Thank you, Sharman.
Well done, yeah.
Weirdest place you've been on your first date?
First date.
याद ही नहीं उसको।
याद ही नहीं, बहुत सारे डेट्स हुए ना, याद ही नहीं है. Well, basement.
Basement. Any more details?
My weirdest place is
No.
Jhanna restaurant in Borivali.
Which is bro?
Jhanna restaurant in Borivali. I used to travel all the way from Jhu to pick up Prerna from Bandra and then go to Jhanna in Borivali because Prerna has relatives and friends who are all over Bombay city and she felt that only on the further suburbs there is a possibility that we won't be recognized. So we used to go on our bike where Prerna used to wear my helmet and I used to be without the helmet.
Sweet, yeah.
Okay.
चुपके.
A Bollywood actress you've always fantasized about?
दीपिका पादुकोण.
Okay. An actor from Bollywood you'd love to do a hand combat fight with in films?
शर्मन जोशी. He's too good in action.
Climax में किया हम लोगों ने, मजा आया.
Yes.
Okay. An actor and actress from Bollywood you admire the most?
Shah Rukh Khan. I love him. Okay. And Rani Mukherjee.
Rani Mukherjee. Okay.
दे इसी वाले.
All right. So I think both of them have fared pretty well. So now Sana Khan, you are the winner.
Yes.
So now let's see that how you'll be faring this rapid fire round. All right. So rapid fire with Sana Khan now. Hate Story 2, Hate Story 3, or Wajah Tum Ho, which is the hottest of them all?
Definitely वजह तुम हो।
Okay. If you get stuck in traffic for hours, who from Sharman and Gurmeet you would like to accompany you and why?
I would want Vishal to accompany me, yeah, my director.
No, but as of now you have.
and Sharman.
Oh God.
She fails.
Maybe
There's any prize for
Gurmeet. Maybe Gurmeet.
She
He
took
can.
too long to answer this.
Gurmeet.
Why?
Gurmeet.
He can do some striptease for me in the car or something like that, you know.
But you asked me, na? Maybe I can also.
Oh, okay, so I'll give Sharman a chance. I'm done with Gurmeet.
Exactly. अभी और कितना देखोगे इसको?
Okay, how will you rate Gurmeet as a kisser?
लो ये ले.
8 on 10.
8 on
Not
10.
bad,
Yeah.
यार.
Okay.
High rating these.
Thank you.
But which is like good or you
Of
think?
course, which is
It
good.
is good, na?
Yeah.
Good?
abhi-
Okay. All right. Okay. True or false? The statement, whether
True
it is
or
true or
false?
false. I think I've looked my hottest best in Wajah Tum Ho.
True.
I choose matureness over hotness.
Mix of both. So yeah, true.
Mix of both.
Mix of both. Yeah.
Okay. Hottest actress in Bollywood today?
Hottest for me is definitely Deepika Padukone.
Okay, I'll list out a few situations you have to tell उसके पीछे वजह कौन है या क्या है.
अच्छा.
Okay, you being super hot.
वजह मैं ही हूँ जिम जाके. I see to it that I look hot.
Your debut in Bollywood.
My debut in Bollywood, I think ad films.
You being an actor.
Being an actor, dreams. I think my dreams have
Your dreams are other
other wajah, yeah, of course.
other wajah for that.
Other
Okay.
wajah for that.
You know, it's very difficult to just decide that who amongst all three of you like can be the winner because all of you have given
Yeah,
like
what's the
really
prize?
prize नहीं.
अब जाने दो मैंने तो क्योंकि इसको जिता दो बेचारा रो रहा था.
मैं रो रहा था इसको
इसे ले लो इसे. I'm a very मेरा दिल
है ही नहीं कोई
बहुत
प्राइज भाई. आप विनर हो सर. ये क्या है यार?
जाओ मैं गिफ्ट.
Basically, we were just testing your wits actually, and the fact that you have answered them so wittily and so wonderfully, that is the prize in itself.
Yeah.
Okay. If you
Congratulations,
say so.
Gurmeet.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you, Bollywood Hangama.
All right, fantastic, and
Yay,
congratulations,
thank
Sana Khan,
you.
for winning this, and Sharman Joshi and Gurmeet Chaudhary as well, and looking forward to Wajah Tum Ho and all your future ventures. Thank you very
Yay,
much.
thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.